Alright, so we're going to get this vlog started with an unboxing of a new parcel that I bought, so yeah. Alright guys, so I've literally just bought something and it's literally just come out. It's a product that they sold at ALDI and it was only £300 literally. So yeah, it's a 3D printer that ALDI was selling. But yeah, let's go get it opened. Why? So actually something that I wasn't expecting was actually the white filament roll. Because normally they give you a sample piece, so I wasn't expecting like a whole 100 meter roll of white filament, so bonus. So we've got some manuals and that, so yeah, I'm just going to quickly unbox this and we'll dive straight in. Quick setup guide. Could use it for modelling, you never know. Pretty handy, a wall scraper, but obviously it's to scrape the plastic off the bed. And an 8 gig SD card. Could use it for my vlogging. So a quick reminder, this 3D printer comes in 2 parts. It's like an already assembled piece, and it's for like beginners out there and students that need to print on the go, because sometimes unis, I think they print or they price it up a bit so they can have a bit of profit. But yeah, so I think it's cheaper to buy your own one. Just a quick tip personally, not saying go out there and spend all your money on a £1,000 printer. 300 quid, I think it will do the job. Some more modelling film. And some more modelling film. To be honest, it's good, keeps the product intact. 3 different types of filament. I'll probably say about, I don't know, 5 meters, something like that. Printed quite a few of these though. And something that I wasn't expecting is they've given us 2 extra printing pads, so if one gets torn or anything, or ripped or scraped, got two spares. So instruction manual. Who needs an instruction manual? So I've set some blind. So I've set some yellow filament up right there. It's just the sample piece that we got, so I'm just going to use that because I don't think I'm ever going to use that in architecture. I'm just going to keep the other 3 filaments for after, and then use the white filament after that. So should be good. So what I'm going to do now is turn it on, and we'll see if it turns on. So what I'm going to do is level the bed quickly and try and get a test print going as quickly as possible here. So I've leveled it using the handy BALCO tool guide piece of paper, slide it underneath, and basically just got to go through. And yeah, should we go put the filament in? I think so. Very close to that nut. It's not focused. Right, there you go. So we're going to do a quick test print and hopefully see what this bad boy can actually do. So let's go. Let's head right into it. Let's make a cocoon box. This is currently heating up, so we'll see what it does straight off out the box. So guys, that's the end of the video. Changing up, did a little review, trying to test out different variations of vlogging. So I want you to keep updated with what I do, what my course is like. So if you want to follow that on my Instagram, and I'll try and provide you with a link just here somewhere if I can get it done. So yeah, Instagram is Nish Taylor. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment down below. So keep updated because my next vlog is going to be in New York. We're going there for a field trip, as DMU Global, part of the Montfort University, has allowed us to travel to New York, part of our architecture. And I'll try and show you as much information as possible of where we visited, what we're doing, some funny videos of what we've been doing there. There'll be a vlog next week on about what I've been doing during Christmas, some of the work that I'll be producing for our final crit in January. Just yeah, keep updated, like, comment, subscribe down below, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat. Come on nearly every social media. LinkedIn, guys, that's something to get on to. Really useful for your future references and businesses to find you on. Hope you liked this video, and have a safe one.